Hi, it's Brenda. Warning, this video is all about the cats. I've been asked a few times how I train the cats, and it's actually quite easy, so I thought I'd share it with you.
Welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Do you see it? What is it? What do you think? A tiny little baby bird. Where's it going? What's it doing?
The single most important trick is to watch them. Watch their every move. See what they're doing. See what is going on around them so that you're aware of what is stimulating and is not stimulating them. See what it is that they want, that they're trying to get. Watch where their eyes are looking. Learn the meaning of each sound.
What are you doing?
Learn the meaning of their every move. This really doesn't take that long. It only takes about 45 minutes every hour and really only about 23 hours every day. And you'll have it down pat.
Little one, isn't it? I know. I don't. Are you hiding on it? I don't think you can get out there to it, honey.
Then, after a few or 20 months of diligently performing the above-mentioned studies, you'll know exactly when they want to do everything and exactly what it is they want to do. Excuse me, I'm talking now.
Where is it? Yeah. I don't think you can get out there, baby. Do you see it? It's all the way down there. Come down here. I think you can see it. Come down here and look. Yeah. Look down here. You can see it from here. Do you see it? Yeah. I know. You went out there so bad, don't you?
And so right before they're ready to jump off the counter, you can say, "Get off the counter." And then they jump off. Fully trained cat. It really works. The only requirement to become an expert at this method is that you have no other life. And you can devote your entire existence 24/7 to catering to their every whim. The second most important trick is to be consistent. Once you've established the rules, you know exactly when they're going to do everything that you want them to do and know exactly when to tell them to do that, you have to make sure that you follow through in the same manner each and every time. And you cannot allow yourself to become distracted by silly things like eating and sleeping and showering.
Are you supposed to be doing that? I know. No. Because. All right, you see this? This? No. Bad. Bad. No. See this? Good girl. Yay. Very, very good girl. You're a very good girl. See this? No. Bad girl. Bad, bad girl. Bad. And this? Good girl. Very, very good girl. Yes, good girl. You got it? Can I have 5? Oh, how about face? Can I have face? Yes. You got it. I think you got it. Yeah. Are you going to be good now? I know. It's so hard. The robin's out there. It doesn't mean you have to paw at the window, okay? You know better, right? Yes. So when we do that 18 times a day, she gets it for about an hour and stops. Don't you?
Best practice is to watch and hover over them every minute of every hour throughout their entire waking day. You are on the screen. The entire video is about you.
Hey. Well, I know it's not fair, but I said no. You can look at them the same without being up there and doing that. I know, but you aren't going to get out anyway.
Spending your time editing videos or answering emails simply is not acceptable.
So she'll not do it until I start getting busy doing something else or try to go to sleep, and then she'll start doing it again. Yeah, that's how I train you. Excuse me. Addie. Do we have to do this again? Well, then stop doing it. You hear? You know better. It is too fair. You can't do that. It's bad. You don't need to do that to enjoy looking out of the window. Excuse me. Addie. Don't tell me no. Get down. Good girl.
So consistently watching their every move and consistently repeating yourself over and over works wonders for approximately 5 minutes.
You can see the robins without being up there like that. I know there's a lot out there.
The third trick is to consistently attempt to rationalize with them in a language they don't understand at all, and so being consistently consistent and firm when telling them to do exactly what they want to do will earn you the reward of a wonderful relationship between a well-trained cat and their well-trained human, until you start doing something else or the treats run out.
I'm trying to edit right now. She's going to wait until I get all engrossed in the middle of something, and then she'll do it again. Because apparently she hasn't fully trained me yet.
Trick number 4 is to have plenty of entertainment for them. It's something new each and every time they look at it, and give them lots of praise when they actually don't do what you don't want them to do.
Did you remember? Good girl for stopping. Very good girl. I know. Yes. You were a good girl. Because you stopped. That's very good. Yeah, it is. You want to go look out? We can go look outside. Come up here. What are we looking at? What's freaking us out? What do you see? Yeah, what do you see? What's out there?
Joining them in their favorite pastime helps form that special bond.
Big bird. It's bigger than you are. That looked like a hawk. Yeah, you weren't going out there, little girl. No way. I know. What do you think? You're standing so weird. Why are you standing so weird? Hi. So what do you see out there? Show me. Where are they? Come here. Show me. Where are they at? What do we see? Where are they at? You're getting so long. Look how long you're getting. Long and skinny. Oops. That had to hurt. What do you think? Hey, shake hands. Shake. Say, how do you do? Can I have 5? See? I planned that. What's up there? What are you reaching for? Come here. Give me 5. Ready? Give me 5. There you go. See? If I just position myself in the right way, it looks like she's actually doing the trick. I know. What was that? Was that you being clever? You being all clever? You give me 5? Give me face? How about 5? Can I have 5? Give me 5. I keep working with her on it. And she tolerates it for 2 seconds and then says, okay, I'm over that. What are you doing? Hey. Yeah, say hi to peoples. Excuse me. Can you say hi to peoples?
Another good practice is to spend most of your day praising their obvious cuteness. That is just going to earn you some bonus eye contact. That's not all you gain. You also gain a lot of help in filming videos and also with doing chores. When bending causes pain.
Are you petting me? Yeah. Are you petting me? Huh?
A paw on the head is a huge help. Not to mention the amazing hairstyling skills that are available.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Are you petting me? Yeah, come on. I gotta pick up this stuff. Spill this stuff all over. Bye.
And hugs and cuddles are always a huge help.
What?
And we'd never get any work done without the supervisor's face right in front of what you're trying to do. When you have to consistently cause yourself pain, some added weight and giggles always helps to ease your burden.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Are you comfy? You're gonna fall and latch right onto me. Hi, what are you doing? Are you being super cute? I think you are. Hi. Are you wanting attentions? Is that what we want? What? Is someone getting attention and not you? Yeah? Am I talking to someone and not talking to you? Well, sometimes, yes, I love you, but sometimes she needs attention. Leave my toes alone. What? Hi, you're pretty. What you doing?
Another useful tip is that it's always good to have two cats so they can entertain each other and keep each other busy.
She just kept giving a little squawk at me. What you doing, Tally? Hi, honey. What you doing, cutie? Yes. You just want snuggles? You want snuggles too? Hi.
And sniff each other's butts. Why do they always do that?
Yeah. Such a croaky sounding little meow. Hi. You just giving the little chirps? You want attention too? And I can't film you both? Hang on. I can't film you both and pet you both at the same time. Yeah. I know. You get pets all the time though. Tally usually doesn't want pets. Hi. I'm afraid she's gonna swat at you though and get me. What's this stuff? Huh? Hi.
Have two cats, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Are we being a little jealous? Are you gonna do the same thing she's doing? I only have one free hand. Yes, I can't pet both of you at the same time. Here we go. And Tally usually doesn't want that many pets and snuggles, does she? But I'm like really twisted now. So I think we're both going on a petting break. Okay, are you done? Come here, Addie. You want pets now? Hey.
It's not all hard work because you do get lots of snuggles while editing.
Hi.
Not to mention participating in fascinating conversations.
Hi. What you doing? What's happening?
And the best yet, you get to irritate the crap out of them when they're trying to nap.
Hi. Oh, sorry. I'm in your way. You had to stretch. Oh. Hi. 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 You're cute. Did you know that? Hi. Did you know that you're cute? Yes, you are. You're gonna fall.
And while your black shirt obtains some beautiful and unique embellishments, it's good to know your arm finally serves a purpose.
Hi. You like whole half of your body's hanging off the table.
And alas, upon completion of all of these tricks, you will become a fully trained human for your cat. And there was not an ounce of seriousness in this video, but I did have a lot of fun doing it. Thanks again for watching. As always, Addie thanks you for being here and for admiring her cuteness. Take care and toodles.